Welcome to Chrysalis Medical Coding. Hi, my name is April. I am the Instructor and Transformational Mentor here at Chrysalis Medical Coding. I created this channel to help aspiring and current coders build confidence, master medical coding skills, and achieve real career success, all while feeling supported, empowered, and inspired. Whether you're just starting your journey towards CPC certification or you're a working coder looking to sharpen your skills, this channel is your go-to space for practical coding tips, study guides and exam prep, deep dives into CPT, ICD-10-CM, and HCPCS, career advice and real-life coding scenarios, and encouragement every step of the way. I believe learning medical coding does not have to feel overwhelming. My goal is to make it clear, engaging, and even fun, because when you understand the why, everything clicks into place. If that sounds like the kind of support you've been looking for, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Welcome to the community. Your transformation starts here.